Hey guys, welcome to my second unboxing video. Today is just the right day to record this video because I have received both packages from USA Gundam Store and Cyn. I know what it is in the USA Gundam Store box, but Cyn always surprised me with the cool stuff. Let's check it out now. I have built a few girls' armor kit from ATK Girl and Miss General before. They are the China brands that's often being compared to the Japan brand Kotobukiya. I can't wait to build this kit because I'm really curious to see how different they are from the China brands. Next is the City Hunter character, Kaori Makimura from Nendoroid. This is just to complete my collection. And this is the MG Unicorn, the coding version. So this is an Eproxy Putty from Magic Putty. This is a new brand that I have never used before. I hope this is good. And of course, USA Gundam Store package always come with a cool sticker. So in this bubble wrap is the Avengers IRONMAN Mark 46. It's the prototype kit that it does not comes with any box yet, and I only have a printout menu. This is not a final version and I will soon be doing a review about it. This is the aftermarket stand for the Evangelion kit. This is also an accessories for the Eva. This is the LED light setup for my BARBATOS. And this super cute 1010 Journey to the West. This video is sponsored by USA Gundam Store and Cyn. Don't forget to use my discount code when you purchase at USA Gundam Store so you get your 10% off. If you like my video today, please hit the like button and I hope you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching today. See you next time.